In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use AI agents as a consumer in Oracle Analytics Cloud to better understand our data. As a consumer, I spend a lot of time analyzing data in workbooks. AI agents deepen insights and explore the data and its business context. They're like the AI assistant, but built with specific instructions and context to better answer business-related questions. In this scenario, I'm a supply chain analyst reviewing a workbook. An author on my team has published a supply chain AI agent for consumers like me. I will show how to ask questions in plain language and get answers aligned to our supply chain context. I'll open my supply chain workbook and then select the Auto Insights panel to navigate to the Assistant tab. The assistant I'm interacting with is an AI agent that an author configured. In this case, the agent is specialized for supply chain operations. I'll confirm I'm interacting with an AI agent because I see a custom welcome message and agent-specific wording that reflects supply chain expertise. If a message like this is not present, then I would be interacting with the base AI assistant. I'll enter a question to help me understand which product container is used most often and what factors influence that choice. The agent returns a response explaining that small boxes are most used, along with considerations like cost, safety, and product size. I also see this response is informed by document knowledge, meaning the agent is using business-specific information beyond just the dataset. Next, I'll ask a follow-up question to compare shipment quantities across container types. This time, the agent generates a visualization, helping me compare how frequently each container is used. I'll clear the assistant history and ask about a different container type, like jumbo drums, to focus on a new area of my analysis. The agent provides specific handling and shipping considerations for jumbo drums, helping me understand operational constraints. I can also ask which product categories use this container, and the agent generates another visualization to support my analysis. Any visualizations created here can be added to my workbook, customized, or used for further analysis. For example, I can add this visualization to a watch list, change the chart type, or filter the data to better fit my analysis needs. I'm not limited to using AI agents inside a workbook. I can also access them in a standalone interface from the home page. I'll choose the supply chain agent to open its dedicated interface. Here, I can continue interacting with the same supply chain agent in a full-screen interface. I'll ask, what are the 5 most expensive cities we ship to based on the average shipping cost? The agent analyzes the dataset and returns the top cities with the highest average shipping costs. Each AI agent is associated with a specific dataset, so whether I'm using it in the workbook or here in full screen, it always analyzes the same data. Now that I've used AI agents within a workbook and in standalone mode, I can explore my data more efficiently and uncover insights tailored to my business context. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud in the links below.